Este es el señor Roberto Veloz.
Warrior Sound en
El puro poder del reggae roots. La casa, la terraza, esta es tu casa. La terraza carrusel. El Warrior Son, Roberto Veloz. Reggae roots on the Coleman. Jordan viene el mic. Dion the Teleman. 5 of the 5, 5x5. Dion the Teleman, the original reggae roots on the positive style. Be the Warrior Son, be the one. Come, you on the one positive spawn shop. Read on it on the Ethiopian and Mexican Billy coming. Roots man. On earth, very smart. Tell about reggae music, with the boat, the come, with the teleman, the other unit on the blood, the spot, the boat, the come, bird dance, reggae music, they come, they tell me they want, we want the perfect pose, they stop, they where they come from, they set the man, on the time, herbs, load, with the body loose, the love of family. Somebody be born, reggae me still about it, they took the body love, can't get life in the ready pump. Road boy, this and everyone, when they watch a man, everybody tell a man, she want the reggae roots on the history, leave the truth on the present, long time, red boats, I did the blood, they tell it with the souls, and they did the street, they want the reggae, they still up the city where it comes from, they might take the job, one get the awesome, similar about the schools, explosion, he want the brutality, most in the nasty, he want the rebel, it's something hot, he had the negative, they're taking the left on the loose, the rebel, the shop, the lids in the fat, and the 10, 1, cheat, and the warrior, something, the system, the man, the can't, the body, rebel, music, the body, look on down, he be the ready for me, he be the step on man, he be the kayan, he be smoke and laugh, he be the rebels, he be the lobagap, he see the kind of the reggae music come the where they come from. You are your song and kings and the live from the system, it's the perform for me. You are the Mexican, the band, etc. The reggae music come the version for the wait 1, 2, 3, the love city, the king city is on that. Watch how man gets old since science. Watch how man still loving fire. The curse on S and birds in the love with the jack and the Salaman. The reggae roots ready. Watch how the man he want the reggae roots in the cons. Yeah man, and positive style behind the reggae music. Este es el poder del Warrior Son, el señor Roberto Veloz, y ande telemavani and question man. Natural Warrior Son, positive style, la ciudad más recia, ciudad Neza. Want the jump on me, on the jump on me, on the jump on me.
There'll never be no peace.
Vamos a brincar, jump on man. Vamos a danzar. Look come on, the Babylon.
Down here are free. We don't want to be no peace. Down here in our neighbor's land. So all we want is to be free, like the birds and the bees. And you can call us brothers, brothers we will be. And we can break bread together the way Jah want us to be. And we can drink milk and honey, no wine we need this time. And you can be my honey, your daddy won't mind. If you wanna be a priest down here in Babylon, would you help to give us back our rights? Why can't you daughter fall in love
Roberto
with
Veloz.
me, am I not a
Roberto
man?
Veloz.
So all we want is to be free, like the birds and the bees.
Listen, man.
Then you can call us brothers, brothers we will be.
Red stepper.
And we can break bread together the way Jah want us to be.
Red step, man.
And we can drink milk and honey, no wine we need this time.
Beat it, beat it.
And you can be my honey, your daddy won't mind.
Red stepper. On the brother. Hey, when you come to the brother, best man. But yeah. Reggae music on the positive, you know I'm stopping here. He be they come in a brother. He wanna live it down. Reggae music on positive, Jah King Selassie I first. Este es el poder de King Selassie I. El Warrior Son. Este es el señor Roberto.
Jah will never give the power to a bald man to judge a Rasta man. Only Jah knows. Jah would never give the power to a bald man to judge a Rasta man. Only Jah knows. Bald and pokitas, they are just one of a kind. Only one thing on their mind is the fight against natural oxygen. Ballad and pokitas, they are just one of a kind. Only one thing on their mind is the fight against natural oxygen. Natural dreadlocks standing firm in Babylon. Only Jah knows. Natty dreadlocks standing firm in Babylon. Only Jah knows. Despite all opposition, dreadlocks in a good position, getting ready to step forward into Zion, Zion. Despite all opposition, dreadlocks in a good position, getting ready to step forward
Roberto
into
Veloz.
Zion, Dreadlocks standing firm in Babylon. Only Jah knows. Nappy dreadlocks standing firm in Babylon. Only Jah knows. Oh, Ballad and Poquita, they are just one of a kind. Only one thing on their mind is the fight against naughty dreadlocks. Ballad and Poquita, they are just one of a kind. Only one thing on their mind is the fight against naughty dreadlocks. Jah will never give them power to a ballad to judge a Rasta man. Only Jah knows. Jah would never give the power to a ballad man to judge a Rasta man. Only Jah knows. Jah would never give the power to a ballad.
Nosotros somos el Warrior Zone, ya saben que estamos de 5 en 5. Con esta canción los dejo con mi carnalito, el señor del Dop. Vamos a escuchar una más, vamos a escuchar una más, un poco más de Jamaica, 1970. Ojalá les guste, vamos a terminar con esta canción del señor Dennis Brown.
Warrior Sound Mix.
Because without love, you can't go on. The Father showed us the way to all humankind. So don't you criticize your brothers and sisters. Every man knows the facts of life.
Clásico antes de que se venga mi carnal, el señor del Dop, que fue al baño exactamente. Vamos a escuchar una más en lo que regresa. Más con un clásico.
It would be too much for me to do.
way I love her so, and how much she don't know. I just can't leave her alone.